Good evening! So hello guys, it's week 4, day 14 ng ating course training program para sa 10K sub 1. Ang program natin ngayon ay 10-minute intervals. So meron tayong aerobic endurance, aerobic power, and then threshold. So tara! Thumbs up. Ayan, so try natin mag flame 3. Magin kaya Mel, shoutout sa'yo Mel. Warm up muna tayo. Go aerobic endurance muna tayo for 10. Okay, mag endurance 10 minutes done. Tara na mag aerobic power 5:38 dapat ang speed natin. Let's go. 2K 3K. Okay, last 1 minute sa aerobic power, then threshold tayo. Sarap itakbo tong 361 flame 3. Grabe quality. Okay, let's go. Threshold na. Ito na ang pinakamatagal na 10 minutes. Grabe yung threshold na yun, 10 minutes. Lakad na tayo. Okay, 10-minute intervals, aerobic endurance, zone 2. And then another zone 3 para sa aerobic power. And lastly, threshold run, zone 4. Take the 10 minutes. See you next video guys.